How to use text to speech on Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use text to speech on Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app, and then you have to just open any project that you're working on. You can add the project or you can just use any image or any video. For the tutorial purpose, I'm just going to add this text directly to the track over here. Click this plus sign. You can as well do the project like this if you want no video or image in the background. Now, once you have clicked this plus sign on the text menu, on this bar you'll see this text menu, and here you have to click it and then click this plus sign. Now once you do so, you have to select this text over here and come to this basic section. Now you have to add any text of your choice, like I'm going to add I'm good. Now once done, you'll see this text to speech over here on this menu. Click this option and it's going to load the resources. Now you can choose a voice over here from all these. You can choose any option that you like you can choose this storyteller female, or you can choose this valley girl, peaceful male, or you can just choose empathetic female. Just choose any option that you like. I'm going to choose this peaceful male. Once done, you have to click generate speech. Now make sure that you have the pro version available. You have joined the pro version because this is a pro feature and only available for the people who have purchased the pro version. Click generate speech and it's going to generate the speech over here. Now wait for it while it generates the speech, and here you go. You have the speech now, and that's how you use text to speech. Now if you want to keep this text, you can keep it, or you can just right click on this and click delete over here. And you can just delete the text and you'll have the audio over here, and now you can export it. So that's how you use text to speech on Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.